Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add a font in Webflow. Whether you're customizing your website for a unique look or simply trying to match your brand style, Webflow makes it incredibly easy to integrate custom fonts. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of adding a font to your Webflow site. First, you'll want to navigate to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with all of your projects. Next, identify the specific site where you want to add your custom font. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Locate the project you want to work on, and to the right of the site name, you'll notice three small dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you quick access to several options related to your site. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the site settings page where you can manage various aspects of your project. The interface here is user-friendly, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you're in the site settings, look for the fonts option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where you can manage all the fonts for your site, whether you want to add new ones or adjust current settings. The fonts page is designed to be intuitive, helping you make changes quickly and efficiently. To add a custom font, you'll want to focus on the custom fonts section. Here, you'll see an upload button. Clicking upload will allow you to add font files directly from your computer. Make sure your font files are in a Webflow supported format such as TTF, OTF, or WAF. Uploading a custom font is a great way to ensure your website stands out with a distinctive style. If you're using Adobe Fonts, Webflow has made integration simple. In the Adobe Fonts section, there's a field where you need to enter your Adobe Fonts API token specific to your site. This token acts as a bridge between Adobe Fonts and Webflow, allowing you to seamlessly use Adobe's extensive font library. After entering the API token, don't forget to click Save Token. This step is crucial as it confirms your API token and activates the Adobe fonts for your site. Once saved, you'll be able to use any of the Adobe fonts you've selected directly within your Webflow project. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom font to your Webflow site. With these fonts now available, you can go back to the designer and start applying them to your text elements, giving your site the precise look you envisioned. Customizing your fonts can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and readability of your website, making it more engaging for your visitors. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Now that you know how to add fonts to Webflow, you can continue to explore other customization options to make your website truly unique. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Happy designing!